Most keyboards today look like boring office slabs, but this one looks like it was ripped straight out of a 1950s newsroom and injected with a dose of futuristic neon. It is the Trueque upgraded wireless typewriter combo, and it is trying to prove that you do not have to sacrifice style for actual productivity. At first glance, those round, raised keycaps really grab your attention. It has that classic typewriter aesthetic that makes every email feel a bit more like you are writing a novel, but it is packed with modern features that keep it from feeling like a relic. One of the standout features is the 7-color backlight. Unlike some cheaper boards where only the gaps between keys glow, the letters themselves actually light up here. This is a game changer if you find yourself working late into the night or just want to set a specific mood at your desk. The matching RGB mouse keeps the vibe going by cycling through colors automatically. Comfort is another area where this set surprises. It comes with a detachable magnetic wrist rest that just snaps into place. It provides a firm, elevated angle that really takes the pressure off your wrists during long typing sessions. Plus, since it is waterproof and easy to wipe down, you do not have to worry about it getting gross over time. Setting it up is about as simple as it gets. You just plug in one tiny USB receiver, and both the keyboard and mouse are ready to go instantly. There is no noticeable lag, and the connection stays solid even if you are sitting a bit further back from your screen. It is also built for both Mac and Windows users, featuring a dual system layout so you do not have to relearn your shortcuts. The mouse is equally impressive with 6 buttons and adjustable tracking speeds, making web navigation feel snappy and precise. Battery life is handled by internal rechargeable cells via USB-C, so you can say goodbye to hunting for AA batteries. The smart auto sleep function is quite aggressive to save power, kicking in after just 90 seconds of idle time, but it wakes up quickly when you are ready to get back to work. Whether you are a student, a creative, or just someone who wants to spice up a dull office desk, this combo offers a fantastic mix of tactile feedback and eye-catching design. It is a stylish, reliable, and incredibly comfortable setup that turns a mundane workspace into something truly unique.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.